All right, guys, so I couldn't leave it alone, even though I had moved it over. Rechecked all my work on my valve adjustment and the carb work. I keep a little journal as I go when I'm doing these tuning or when I'm doing maintenance, so I can put the dates down and every little change I made. And I went through so many different variations. And the only thing I come up with is that I have a vacuum leak. So I think the vacuum leak is coming from one or two of the intake boots, which would be expected because I remember I had sent the head off to get work done and the intakes were removed and then they were put back on before they shipped it back, which was nice for them to do, but I didn't send new seals with the intakes, and that's kind of like a miscommunication, my fault too. I should have expected that they'd have to do that, and I should have sent seals with it when they did the work. So I got new seals coming. When they get here, I'll get back in there, remove the intake boots, put new seals on, put it back on, and see if that changes it. But I've checked and rechecked all of my other work. And like I said, keeping a journal of everything I do, because you go a day, you work on it, 2 days, family gets in the way. Keep a journal, it helps you remember where you were and what process you've already been through. So catch you next time in the garage. I'm gonna step over to the GSX-R, try and get a little bit of that done today before family stuff has to get done. So see you next time in the garage.